So I think you can purchase ahead of time, in advance, ng tickets natin. So pwede na kayo bumili ng tickets nyo as early as now. Okay, now they're taking their photos sa ating photo wall. Grab this chance to take their photos. Thank you. Hello, I miss you. Hello, Yuki. Hello, ladies. Hello. How are you? Hello, kamusta kayo? Hello, hello, hello. Okay, this is the microphone. Please greet everyone tonight.
Hello everyone! Ready na ba kayo sa Werewolf Boy? I'm Yuki Sonoda and I'm so excited to watch this movie of Robin and
So, Montague, Yogurino, Greyhound Cafe, Viva Cafe, Maple Tree House, photo on our photo wall. There you have it. I know everyone's excited to see ang ating lead stars, of course, the cast as well of the Werewolf Boy. And of course, hello, our guest artist for this evening. Hello and good evening to you guys. Okay, everyone, please state your name and say hello to everyone here this evening. Go ahead.
Hello po, ako si Sandex Gabing. And
Hello everyone, I'm MJ Castello.
Hello, I'm Denise Esteban.
Hi guys, Armani Hector here.
Okay, how are you guys? Kamusta naman? Excited na bang lahat?
we are very
Nancy Cuso and Valadia. And to follow si Dan and si CJ. There you have it. Would like to invite on stage Kisa and Vladia. Hello. Hello, good evening. Magandang gabi. Here's the microphone. Please say hello to all our friends.
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Ayun, saan mag-date ko kayo sa Werewolf Boy.
Vladia?
Hello po! Ako nga po pala si Vladia Diswanco sa mga hindi nakakilala. Pwede niyo po akong tawagin Jaja at sana supportahan niyo po ang Werewolf Boy and supportahan niyo po lahat ng cast doon. At guys, abangan niyo po ako sa Project Loki.
Thank you. There you have it. Let's have your photos taken. Let me grab the microphone. And these photos for our cameras. And 3, 2, 1. And time to film. Thank you, Vladia and Cuson. We've got Dan and CJ with us here tonight. Hello. Hello. Kamusta?
Okay naman po, masaya. We're super excited to watch the film. Medyo traffic sa labas, but of course, this is gonna be worth it, I'm sure.
That's nice. How about
Hello,
you,
kamusta po
Dan?
kayong lahat? Ay.
Ay, kamusta na kayong lahat? 3, 2, 1! Hello! There you have it.
Mabuti rin po kami dito.
Ayan, alam ko excited na kayo dalawa, kaya wag natin patagalin pa. Invite them to watch the film.
Guys, okay, on January 14, hahappening na po ang Werewolf Boy. Of course, lahat ng mga tao na behind this film, they worked really, really hard to make this happen. Kaya I'm sure Robin and Angela, they're gonna give their 100% shot dito sa pelikula to. So, isulit yung ibabayad nyo para makapanood ng Werewolf Boy. So, kita-kits in the cinemas.
There you have it.
Guys, sobrang excited na ako manood kasi balita ko ibang-iba daw yung character nilang dalawa dito. Kaya sobrang excited po. Kaya huwag kayong mawawala. And also guys, I'm inviting you to continue to support Mafia Boss.
Alright, we will. Thank you, Dan and CJ. Let's have your photos taken. In 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Enjoy the film and see you inside. Hello. Hello, Martina and Keegan. Would like to invite the both of you to please come up here on stage. Hello again, Martin and Keegan. Hi, guys. Yes, andito na sumusuporta mga fans ng Mutya. How are you guys? Kamusta? Please say hello.
Hi everyone!
Hello po, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Yo.
Hoy, kamusta kayo? Andito ang mga fans niyo. Batiin niyo naman sila ng hello.
Hello po.
Yeah, very shy guys. Okay na kanina yung kaway niyo talaga. How excited are you both? Napanoorin tong Werewolf Boy.
Super excited kami supportahan yung friend namin, which is si Robin Angeles. Kasi ito yung magiging first movie niya, no? First leading movie niya. So ayun, sabay-sabay natin supportahan ang Werewolf Boy.
There you have it. Ikaw naman, Martin. Okay ka ba?
Ayun na, naiya ako.
Invite mo na sila. I-invite mo na silang panoorin to sa January 14.
Okay, so January 14, please watch A Werewolf Boy. Ito ang first solo movie ng Rapgel, sila Robin and Angela. And sobrang ganda ng movie. Actually, pinan-sneak peek na sa akin ni Robin eh. So, sobrang ganda nito, promise. Sobrang.
Excited na talagang lahat yan. Let me grab the microphone. It's time for the OTD pose. Thank you, Martin and Keegan, for being here with us. Na-appreciate namin na nandito kayo ngayon supporting this. Thank you, gents. Dito tayo on down. Wow! Sige, Kepon! Kepon yan! Ayan ang pinakabago nilang song. You can stream and you can dance to Kepon. Alright, again, we've got Michael Keith and Hans Peralta walking on the red carpet. And later on, they'll be taking photos sa ating photo wall. So please make sure na marami na kayong photos and videos in your phone so you can tag them. Of course. Okay, Hans and Michael Keith, let's go! I'd like to invite the both of you on stage. Wow, I love the fashion, the both of you, strikingly gorgeous. Hello, good evening.
Werewolf Boy. And una-una po sa lahat, I'm Gam Michael.
I'm God Hans.
And we are 2/5 of GAT po.
I love you, 2/5. Okay, at this time, thank you. Gusto mo ba, Hans, bumati sa lahat ng mga friends natin ngayong gabi?
Hello po sa inyo lahat. You know, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat at maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa A Werewolf Boy. And masaya po kami kasi nandito po kayo para suportahan yung our guy Robin Angeles and tropa namin na si Angela Muji. Kaya maraming salamat po.
There you have it again, God Michael and God Hans right over here. Let's have your photos taken. Alright, thank you! Congrats! Kailangan kumikempot kayo pababa. Yun yung bago ng song. Sige, Kembot. Okay, and up next, supporting the film, movies and specials. Sari TMC, Tagalized Movie Channel, Mas Masaya, Tagalized Viva Cinema, CMP Celestial Movies Pinoy, Halo Radio, Voltage, Pay-Per-View, Weasel, Yogurino, Greyhound Cafe, Maple Tree House, Du Xiaoye, Rosso Comodoro, and Viva Beauty. Alright, let's see this time. Hulaan niyo si Okay, we'd like to call on stage Charles Law, Sarah Jo, and Frost Sandoval. One more photo in 3, 2, and 1. Once again, we'd like to call our friends supporting a werewolf boy on stage. Hello, Charles, Frost, and Sarah. To walk on the red carpet after our special guest for this evening, we've got the second batch of our cast members, Francis Mata, Boaz Mariano, Omar Flores, and Christian T. Hello, Sarah, Frost, and Charles. Good evening. Good evening to you guys. Please say hello to all our friends here at SM Mega Mall.
Hello everyone, thank you so much guys for coming out to support a werewolf boy.
And we are so excited to see Robin and Angela in their first movie. And I hope you guys are excited as well.
Thank you so much po for coming here. And guys, let's watch a Werewolf Boy. Super excited po kaming lahat. And yun, support natin na Rob dyan. Let's go.
There you have it. Please invite them to watch it on January 14. Any representative? Go Frost!
And don't forget, January 14. Mark your calendars and yung showing ng A Werewolf Boy. Bring your friends, your family, and your loved ones. Ayan.
There you have it. Thank you, Sarah Frost. And Charles, let's have your photos taken. Please face our camera right in front of you. In 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. Sarah Frost and Charles, thank you very much. You may proceed here on the side. Enjoy the film. To walk on the red carpet, up next we have Carl Medina, O'Neil Torres, and Anika Kong. And this time, on stage, well, hello and good evening, how are you? Hello po, please, here's the microphone. Please grab and say hello to all our friends here at SM Mega Mall.
Hello guys. Hello, good evening. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for coming. Abang-abang po ito and we're so glad to be presenting it and we're so glad that it's out for the rest of the world to see. A Werewolf Boy.
Good evening to everyone. Thank you all for coming.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Sana po ay magustuhan ninyo ang aming munting pelikula, Werewolf Boy.
Congratulations po on your film. Now we wanna know yung characters, nag-mix na yung Tagalog and English. Mga characters ninyo sa pelikula. Let's have a rundown of the characters.
Gagampanan ko po dito ang papel ni Dizon. He is one of the assistant doctors. At siguro, pinagpapasalamat ko po talaga na bukod sa kung sino-sino po yung nakakadaupang palad ko on set, to be able to work with Director Santo as well, to help me mold the character alongside him. Napakalaking bagay po no, to a young actor like myself. Kaya maraming salamat po and abangan niyo po yung character ko.
Ako naman po, I had the privilege and honor to have a scene with the one and only Miss Lorna Tolentino. Kaya big shout out to Director Santo for including me in this film, to Viva, and grabe, lahat ng mga artista dito. Kahit hindi ko sila naka-eksena, walang tapon, everybody's so great. Just enjoy the film, guys.
Yes, good evening to everyone and thank you very much for this film. At ako naman po ang doktor ni Sarah or si Angela Muji. Thank you.
Ang karakter ko po dito ay yung scientist na nagpalaki doon sa Werewolf Boy. Ayoko na ibigay yung
Yung iba secret na lang. Abangan natin sa pelikula. Congratulations po ulit sa inyong pelikula. Again, feel free to take as much photos and videos as you want. You can tag them on their socials and also tag at Viva_Films and all Viva Films and Studio Viva social media accounts. Once again, our official hashtags for tonight, #AWerewolf. Werewolf Boy PH and hashtag a Werewolf Boy Premiere Night. Ito yung tagline na aabangan natin sa pelikulang ito. Hindi aabangan, ngayon ba lang pwede na natin pakinggan at The Secret of Love that is extraordinary can stay forever. Hello, good evening, and congratulations to your film! Please say hello to all our friends here at SM Mega Mall first.
Di ko alam. I don't know yet.
At maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito sa
Hello everyone! Thank you so much for coming here.
Hello everybody, what a way to celebrate this new year with you guys. Welcome.
Wow, yes, speaking of New Year, this is the very first film ng Viva this year. Kaya congratulations sa pelikula nyo, ang pinakauna. How does it feel that you have a film, ito yung pinakaunang pelikula ng Viva this year? How was it?
It feels so great. I feel so honored to be a part of the Philippine adaptation of A Werewolf Boy, especially because we all worked under the guidance of Direct Chris. He's so amazing, and of course working alongside Ada Angela and Kuya Rob.
They're just foreigners.
Wow, how about you, sir?
Siyempre excited, tsaka proud na we've worked with ang ganda ng cast, very talented, tapos ang galing ng production mismo. And syempre yung film itself, adaptation nga siya ng napakagandang film.
Yes, a Korean film. Thank you very much. And lastly, sir.
Speaking of adaptation, so palagay ko mas maganda pa nga ito dun sa original. So ito yung kailangan natin ipagman tonight.
Thank you very much. We're excited to see you guys on the big screen later on, but let me grab that microphone because we're excited. Let's have your photos taken. Please stay as close to each other as possible for our photo op. In 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, and 1. Congratulations!
A Werewolf Boy. Salamat po sa pagdating ninyo.
Wow, excited na kami. Sino po ba si Sir Rafi dito sa pelikula? Direct Jeffrey, please join us. Thank you very much. Sir Rafi, ano pong role ninyo dito?
Actually, isa akong mapait na kapitbahay.
Oh, mabait na kapitbahay.
Kapitbahay. At mamaya makikita nyo na lang.
Kung sino ka.
Excited din ako makita yung movie.
Oh,
At saka
excited din kayo
din ako
mapanood
nawagan pa
kayo.
yung role ko rito.
Oh. Malalaman natin yan mamaya. How about Miss Angel? Miss Angel, please say hello to all our friends.
Hi, magandang hapon po. Salamat sa pagpunta. Buti na lang hindi umulan.
Buti na lang hindi umulan.
Kaya nga, talagang pang werewolf boy.
Pang werewolf boy ang araw ngayon.
Correct.
Speaking of werewolf boy, sino po kayo sa werewolf boy?
Ay, asawa niya, pero malalaman niyo yung ugali ko.
Ayan tayo. Isang mabait at isang malalaman ang ugali. Okay, Direct Jeffrey, hello!
Hello, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat at maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito sa Premiere Night ng Werewolf Boy.
Direct Jeffrey, kayo naman. Ano bang role niyo dito?
Huwag kayo kukurap, di nyo makikita. I have a very short cameo lang. I play the husband of si Miss Yayo Aguilar. At si Miss Yayo Aguilar ay anak naman ni Miss Lorna Tolentino. Dito sa film.
Ay, parang nagigets ko na. Okay, abangan natin yan. Kaya let me grab that microphone and let's have your photos taken. Excited na kami mapanood kayo, kaya naman mag-picture taking na tayo agad-agad. Alright, and while Miss Candy is having her photos taken on the red carpet and sa ating photo wall, reminders sa lahat ng ating ticket holders, pwede na po kayong pumasok sa loob. Natin si Miss Candy on stage for a quick interview. Once again, let's have our last photo on the photo wall in 3, 2, 1. One more photo. Hello, Miss Candy Pangilinan. Hello, Ate Candy. Wow, I love the hair. I love the hair. Very quick lang tayo dahil excited na kami mapanood ang pelikula ninyo. Please say hello to all our friends.
Ay, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. And thank you so much for being here. sa inyo lahat. Thank you, maraming salamat po. At sana po ay magustuhan niyo po ang pelikulang ihahandog namin sa inyo.
Mukhang talagang excited na kaming lahat. Kaya naman pwede mo ba kaming bigyan ng isang word to describe your character?
Empathetic.
Wow, empathetic! Aabangan natin ang empathetic na Candy Pangilinan sa A Werewolf Boy. Miss Candy, please invite them to watch your film.
Panoorin niyo po ang Werewolf Boy. Nako, January 14. Nationwide. Huwag niyo pong palalakpasin. At kung nagustuhan niyo po, ipagkalat niyo po ang mabuting balita.
There you have it. Congratulations. Ate Candy, let's have your photos taken. Please stay in the middle. Okay, and 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. Congratulations! Miss Candy, dito tayo on the other side. Okay, dyan na lang. Okay. Cinema 2. And in a while, makikita na rin natin to walk in the red carpet. Of course, ang tandem na inaabangan natin lahat ngayong gabi. Once again, this is our debut film on our Viva Films and Studio Viva, as well as CJ Entertainment. Hello, Direk Chris! Congratulations!
Thank you. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for coming.
Ayan, grabe ang suporta sa inyo. How does it feel, Direk?
Nakaka-excite, nakakaba, pero masaya. Dahil finally, makikita na ng lahat yung pinaghirapan namin. Rapture fans, salamat!
Ayan, grabe ang suporta. Isa bang masigabang palakpakan at sigawan para kay Direk Chris? Grabe, Direk Chris. Ano nga abangan namin dito?
Aabangan nyo kung gaano kahusay si Robin Angeles at si Angela Muji. Napakahusay ng Rapture. At syempre, kikiligin sila.
Kikiligin, hindi mawawala ang kilig.
Maiihi sila sa kilig.
Maihigit ako, kailangan magpigil kasi baka may mamiss kaming
Mag-CR
eksena.
na kayo.
Mag-CR na kayo daw bago kayo manood at pumasok. Ito na, Direk Chris to join us here. Of course, the rising young generation. Please do welcome everybody. Give it up. Raise your mobile devices because they are about to walk the red carpet. Everybody, pwede bang makarinig ng pansigabong palakpakan at sigawan? Robin, Agnes, and Angela Muji! Once again, andyan na po naglalakad na sa red carpet. Ang Rob Gel. Kanyang TRCD, that means lahat po ay pwede manood as long as ang mga kids natin who's very young ay may kasama guardian of legal age. Careful and be safe, everybody. All right. Again, congratulations to Rab on for a quick photo op on stage. Let's have Robin Agnes and Angela Muji on stage. Once again, Rabjel is about to walk right over here sa ating stage. All right, looking handsome and gorgeous tonight. Rabjel. Hello, Robin. Hello, Angela. Careful going up. Okay, here's a microphone. Batiin nyo na lahat ng fans ninyo ngayong gabi.
Hello everyone! Good evening! Thank you po for coming here. We're just as excited as you are.
Good evening po. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito. And ito na po, may pelikula na po tayo. Sobrang iba po yung kaba namin ni Angela ngayon. Wala po kami masabi sa inyo. Pero maraming salamat po.
Mukhang naiiyak na sila sa supportang ipinapakita ninyong lahat. Kaya naman ngayon, i-congratulate natin sila by shouting, clapping. Everybody, let's go! Let's give it up for Ramjel! like to invite them January 14?
Ayun po, iniimbitahan ko po kayo na manood ng Werewolf Boy sa
January 14 in cinemas nationwide. Buy your tickets na po!
There you have it, Derek. Please stay here with them. Let's have your photos taken. And the rest of the cast, may we invite... Okay, sa loob na lang daw ang mga cast. Okay, to all the ticket holders, you may now proceed inside Cinema 2. Once again, to all our ticket holders, you may now proceed inside Cinema 2. At sa mga walang ticket, don't you worry. 2 nights na lang ang aantayin nating lahat. Mapapanood na natin sabay-sabay A Werewolf Boy in cinemas nationwide.